promised, let's do a little what I've been buying lately. When I tell y'all I am just as easily influenced as y'all, I absolutely mean it. I will scroll TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and just add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. I don't always hit purchase. This time I did. So I have things from American Eagle, Abercrombie, H&M, Gap, Classy Network, which is the tops with bras built in that I'm so excited about. I did try that top on. The other things I haven't quite tried on all the way yet. I wanted to give like a true first impression with y'all, but I'm very excited about this. I do a lot of clothing hauls here. We know that. So these are things that I have seen on fellow influencers that I thought were really, really cute. I will link everything down below for you. I will tell you what size I'm wearing, but if I forget, I will list it next to the item in the description box. Also, my measurements are always listed in the description box. I find that super helpful for me when I am shopping. So I imagine that it would be helpful for y'all too. If you're looking at this top and loving it, it is from Kohl's. I will link it for you. We're jumping right into it. Let's go for H&M first. So I feel like I slightly missed out. When I did that Gap factory haul, there was a denim dress that I tried on. It also came in leopard online and I didn't grab it. I did order another dress, I'll show you, but I didn't grab the leopard one because I saw this one. It's this like A-line boxy style leopard dress. It is lined. It is the nicest quality. I ordered mine in a size extra, extra large. I thought this could be cute with so many different bottoms, so let me put it on. This dress is perfection. It is a little bit lower in the front than I thought that it would be, but this size I think is fine. Like it's a little bit roomy here, but a size smaller wouldn't work in my hip area. This length, I love. The material could easily be dressed up. Think about this with tights and boots, or I've paired it with these flats that I got from Walmart, and then just a cute pair of sunglasses. Such a fun, casual, but very cute outfit. Like this could be a daytime shopping outfit. Where am I going? I don't know, but I'm comfortable while I do it. We're off to a very good start. I did order a couple of t-shirts from H&M as well. They sell really great quality basics in my opinion. Don't judge me, okay? But I bought this one and I think it is adorable. The brand is Divided in a size extra, extra large. I loved the graphic on it. Obviously, how many times can I mention at this point? We all know where I'm going very soon. Not that I feel like this is what people are wearing while they're out and about, but this could be a really cute travel t-shirt with some comfy bottoms. Throw a hoodie over it when I'm cold on the plane, and you can't feel the graphic through the t-shirt, so I really liked that. This is absolutely perfect. The length, the style, is roomy enough for the fit that I want. This is so cute. I just threw on a pair of black like linen-y shorts that I already own from Abercrombie. I think this is adorable. It's so comfortable too, which again, I think would be perfect for travel. It's just cute. It may not be everyone's cup of tea, but I see, maybe not this exact graphic, but very similar graphic t-shirts going viral, and I was able to find this one in my size at H&M, which is usually not the case. I'm talking too much. This video is gonna be super long. And then I got this bright blue one. I have a pair of bright blue tennis shoes from Walmart, the No Boundaries brand, and I just wanted a shirt that sort of matched that color scheme. Riviera Italiana. This one's also in a size extra, extra large, but it's the H&M brand. I already like the feel of this one a little bit better. It's not quite as roomy, I don't feel like down here, but it's a softer material. I just like the color. I like a little bit of a graphic as well, but this is nothing crazy. I think this would be cute too with those boxer style shorts that everyone is wearing. I don't own a shirt in this blue color, so here we are. Here are my blue shoes for reference. I think all three pieces from H&M are a keep. Wait, I take it back. I did just buy that Old Navy tee in this blue color, but it's like a baby tee style, not an oversized or like graphic tee style. Let's move on to Classy Network. This has gone viral. I have seen it everywhere. So again, I'm surprised that I was able to get it in my size. This one shoulder style, the whole catch, I guess, with Classy Network is everything has a built-in bra. Now, I know from experience, I tried them years ago, and the built-in bra is just a shelf bra with padding in it. So it's not a structured underwire type bra. So sometimes you can get a slight uniboob, and that's why I think I didn't like them in the past. But I wanted to give them another go because this is a flowy top. A lot of things they have on their website are fitted, and that's just not necessarily my style. But this flowy top I thought could be really nice for my trip with, again, like a pair of shorts like this with a pair of linen pants while you're walking around. I was unsure on size, but I ended up grabbing a size extra large. And then on the website, I'll put a little screen recording or screen grab in. They'll tell you what size the model is wearing and then what size padding is in the bra. But I didn't really get to pick that. I just picked a size extra large. When I tell you this is the most comfortable top, I did try this one on. Did I tell y'all that at the beginning? When everything showed up, I thought, let's do first impressions. but this I was too excited for. I would order so much more from the website if they had more flowy options like this. But again, it's like a shelf bra. All of this is elastic all the way around, like shoulder, through the armpit, around the back up the shoulder. This extra large is absolutely perfect. Like the fit and the feel of it. Again, you're not getting any sort of structure. You're just in here with some padding. But I feel like that's such a smart thing to do. And how cute is this? This could easily be dressed up like these shorts with maybe a pair of black heels would be really cute. Here's what it looks like underneath, by the way. I just had to look in the mirror to make sure you couldn't see through it. But it's just like this shelf bra, again, the padding, and then this flows over. This overlay bit is slightly see-through, but you can't see anything because you are lined here with the bra. It's just so comfortable, so stretchy, so flowy. I am very happy with this. This is exactly what I'm looking for my trip as well. Something with some built-in coverage and just classy and flowy and pretty, and this fits the bill. Let's go for Abercrombie next. I follow a woman named Mary Skinner on, I'll link her down below, but she shared this tank from Abercrombie, and it also has a built-in bra. I got it in a size extra large. It came in a few different colors. Obviously I went with black, and when I pulled it out of the package, I thought this is a mistake because I don't typically wear like snug things, cropped things, unless it's like a boxy tee with some high-waisted linen shorts or something. But I thought, again, this could be really nice for my trip if I liked the fit of it, maybe with a high-waisted pair of linen pants just to walk around. I will be taking a cardigan. I always get comments about that, like, you better make sure you cover your shoulders. I will be taking some sort of cover so that I can get into places, but I know it's gonna be hot. What I like about it is it's all one piece underneath. So like this one is the separate shelf bra. This one is made into it, but you still can remove the padding. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Again, all one piece, the padding is right here. A lot of things from Abercrombie I can do in a size extra large, like these shorts. So I thought if it's stretchy enough, let's give it a go. You do have tiny adjustable straps, which was really helpful. Again, the built-in like padding here. It's very comfortable. It's like a super soft cotton material. It is very stretchy. The length of it's a little bit wonky on me, so I would probably need to tuck it into something, but I really like it. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone, we know that, but again, with it being so hot and we're just walking so much, this would also be pretty. I thought about last night if I had like a thin crochet piece to put over it, even like a long sleeve top or quarter length sleeve top or something would be pretty, so that you still have coverage underneath, but I don't feel so exposed. But I think this is going to be a keep. At the very least, it's a good layering piece, and I am braless, which is 10 out of 10 in my book. So we'll see if I actually end up wearing it, again, with linen pants that are flowy. I think it would be adorable. The Instagram reel I saw from Mary, she was wearing a gray one with jeans, and it looked so cute. This is a keep. If you're wondering there's no compression, I feel like that's a question that could come up a lot. So this is not a shapewear tank. If you're looking for a shapewear tank that you can also wear out, I will link my favorite Shaper Mint one down below. But this is just a stretchy material that molds to your body. It's not doing any sort of compression type anything. But it is very comfortable. So if you don't want to feel restricted, this is a good option. I also ordered these two pieces from Abercrombie. I have seen dozens of people at this point wearing this exact top. Well, it also comes in black. And there's different styles of it. I got the underwire version with no padding. The brown with the creamy off-white lining I think is gorgeous. This only goes up to a size extra large, and unfortunately it does not work for me, so I will not be putting it on. I mean, it fits the cup. Just around is very tight, but how cute could this have been with these shorts? These are the same style of shorts I'm wearing here, with the exception of the drawstring and obviously the graphic, but Abercrombie has been doing a lot of things recently in this pattern, and I love it. I think the brown with the seashell is really pretty. These shorts are also lined, as are the black ones I'm wearing. I don't think you can get the black ones anymore in this exact style, but they do have several if you don't want the drawstring. Let me put these on. I feel like initially the size was a bit of a flub, but I went with this size again because of the pieces I already own. These are just a little bit snug, but in my experience, just like the black ones I was wearing, they fit like this at first and give them about an hour, and they will stretch a little bit. I did a comparison with the Abercrombie shorts and another pair of shorts, like linen blend shorts. I forget where they're from, but the Abercrombie ones don't stretch as much as your typical linen blend shorts. It was Old Navy. The Abercrombie ones are a better quality and less baggy, roomy by the end of the day. So I'm just hoping that these will do the exact same, because I really do love the print. Obviously they have pockets. I like the length. I don't feel like these are as high-waisted. They're sitting right at my belly button, whereas the other shorts I have come a little bit higher, but maybe as they give a little bit, I'll be able to pull them up. I just think they're so cute. I think I'm gonna keep the shorts and the tank. Obviously, the swim top will go back. I have 2 more outfits to show you. This one you've already seen, it's just in a different size. I will link, if I haven't said up to this point, my Gap factory try-on haul down below. But I tried this dress on in a size extra, extra large, loved it. I felt like it was a little bit roomy in the top bust area. So I ordered it in a size extra large. It's lined, like everywhere. You can see the pattern on the inside. It has smocking in the bag. The little skinny straps are adjustable. So fingers crossed this one works for me because it's adorable. Oh no, this might be too small. The bust part fits decent. It's a little bit snug. There is a little bit of puckering here, but there is still that silicone like rubber strip to stick to your skin. Straps are adjustable like I mentioned. This feels like it's a little bit shorter than the extra, extra large as well, which I don't mind, but this part here is a little bit snug. I do love the smocking in the back. That makes it very comfortable. I don't know. I'm on the fence about this one. It's very comfortable. It's very breezy. It's very flowy. It's very trendy. Like these style dresses with specific patterns like this, like beachy style, is very in right now. I actually wanted to wear it to dinner last night and opted out because I wanted to do, again, my first impression with y'all. I probably wouldn't have worn it to dinner. I don't know if I could sit comfortably, so I think, I'm sad to say, but I think this is gonna have to go back. It's too fitted here. Last outfit we have is from American Eagle. This got me so good. I follow Kelsey, I will link her down below too, and she posts the cutest outfits. Granted, her and Mary are straight size, mid-size-ish, so definitely not in my size range. But from my experience, American Eagle, like Abercrombie, they don't necessarily carry plus size things and everything, but sometimes the extra large can work for me. So when I saw this on Kelsey, I thought, say less, like I'll take it. Immediately ordered. I did read the reviews that said it runs a little bit big, so I went with the extra large versus the extra, extra large. So it's a pair of drawstring, navy and white striped, like wide leg pants. But this was what I loved, this strapless, like tube top style. So it's fitted in the bust and then a bit of a flare. It's not looking promising. I forget sometimes that not everyone is the same height as me. Like my initial view, I just assume we're all the same height until I go in and read your measurements. So the pants are too short. The top is fine. There's zero support. It does have a rubber bit to stick to your skin. Zero support. It is double lined at the top. I'll give them that. I think the extra large top is fine. It just doesn't quite fit me how I would want. Maybe a strapless bra would be the go here, but I liked the idea of not having to wear a strapless bra. It just looks so cute on her and I was sold. The pants, like the fit is not terrible. They're just not as roomy as I wanted them to be. So they're super high-waisted, drawstring waist with pockets. They are too short. Now I can pull them down and get them to the length that I want them. Now that I'm wearing it, I don't know if the size is the issue because this is fitting my body fine. I think it's the style. You know what this would be cute as? A swimsuit cover up. Like you're going to the beach, wear your swimsuit, put this little outfit over it. Do I keep it as like a beachy swimsuit cover up, lounge around the house? Could be a really nice option, or do we return it? I did get it on sale. I think each piece was like 20 bucks. It feels really nice. Like it's very comfortable. I just wanted it as, oh, we're gonna go to brunch, let me throw on this and put on some like chunky sandals, a hat, maybe a necklace, and have this be the outfit. And I would not do that with this outfit. All right, that is a wrap on this video. I hope you enjoyed it, a bit of how I've been influenced lately. I will link everything down below for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Goodbye.